In today's video, we are going to show you how to block a website on Mozilla Firefox, which is super useful if you want to avoid distractions, block inappropriate content, or control website access on your computer. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your Firefox and make sure you are connected to the internet. Next thing is I want you to hover to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines. That's going to be the menu, and go to the extensions and themes. Now, Firefox doesn't have a built-in website blocker. All I have to do is go to the search bar here. Let's say we're going to type in block because we need an extension for that. As you can see, we have so many results here. It's up to you on what you want to use, but we're just going to stick with the first one. I want you to click on it, which is highly recommended to Firefox. And all I have to do is very simple. Click the blue button that says add to Firefox. Of course, there's going to be a required permission. And if you want to allow extension to run in the private windows, you can also do that by checking this box and click the add button. Now, once the extension has been installed, all I have to do is go to the extension icon here and go to that specific plugin. And if you want to add a website that you want to block, for example, let's say TikTok, you can do so. Click the OK button. And basically, that's how you block websites on Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.